Hello everybody, Low End Gamer is here back again, and today I'm going to show you how you can play any game from low end PC for sure. All you have to do is to enter on this website, then you hit here play now, then you choose a membership, and I recommend you doing a free, but the thing is that you have to wait around 1 hour for any session length. Then you have to wait a time to enter in the queue and play this game. That's all that you have to do, is to wait a little bit, but it's free to play. So yeah, let's hit here join, and right now I'm redirected to log in on my account. Let's hit submit here, and here we have the platform which we want to use. I'm going to choose Windows PC, and now we have to install this application, GeForce Now. After installing the application, we hit here agree and continue. Next. Let's press here join today, and then log in, and after you log in, hit submit button here, and after you click and log into your servers, you're gonna get something like this. Your login. I logged in with Google. It's very simple. Just have to select the nvidia server and log in. Then you're gonna be redirected to this page, and you're gonna see here an account and logout. So we are going here to the games. You're gonna see that here some games have like Steam. It means that you have to and as we can see, to play this game you must sign in your Steam account. So it means that you need to buy the game on Steam or Epic Games. So yeah, you need an account with the game purchased in order to play it, but you can play any game you want. So they also have platform like GOG.com, Ubisoft. And what's cool is that you can play Fortnite and Mobile Legends for free. Let's see here a game on the tab free to play. Let's see here a cool game, and let's test Fortnite, see how it's working. Hit here play and continue. You actually must have a good internet connection in order to play it like really okay. That's only thing you need to have. And as you can see, gamers ahead you 139, so you have to wait until this value will go down to 0. If you don't want to wait, you just have to upgrade to a paid plan. Okay, so we are redirected to the login page. We just have to press here allow access, then we need to log into our Epic Games account. It's very simple. Okay, and after we logged in, let's see what is going to happen. We have so we can play right now. Very simple.
No matter how
we can also select here this.
There is a prime.
So if we're going into these settings, you're gonna see that we have these default settings here, which are really cool. Okay, let's see how it's working. Okay, let's see how it's working exactly. So you can see we don't have any lag or something, so we're playing on the cool graphic. This is really cool. Let's see how many frames per second we have right now. Oh, that's really okay. So as you can see, everything is working really okay, and I'm going to show you how many resources right now this game is consuming. It's actually not consuming anything. It's like page open or something like that. Okay, let's help our teammates. So as you can see, the GeForce Now is taking only like 0.3 gigabytes of memory, so it's really okay. And on the dedicated GPU also it's taking really low usage. If you're going into the GPU, we can see that it's really relaxed, and yeah, the CPU as well, it's really relaxed. Everything is really relaxed because it's not rendering and it's not doing anything. It's just only is only watching like a browser page, top page, not doing anything. That's and the game's running really okay. It is actually consuming 0.5 gigabytes of RAM and on dedicated, I don't know, let's see here, I think below 1 gigabyte VRAM, so yeah. Here we go, you can see consumption. So memory, these values, network, these values, the GPU. It's really okay, it's moderate on consumption, it's decent, and the game is like on high right now. Okay, so you can't change the session, you have to wait again if you want to finish the game, so that's a limited thing. And after like a half of hour you're gonna be announced, like you have a timer, and after like when you have 5 minutes remaining you're gonna see timer, and yeah, after that you will be automatically disconnected from the game. And yeah, so let's see what's happening. We're gonna exit the game. Okay, gonna see this tab here. Do you want to restart Epic Games Launcher and sign in with a different account? And have the question, and yeah, we have a feedback now, and this is like game part. That was all. It's really easy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit like, share, subscribe, and as usual, have a nice day.